Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Parul Sharma. So this is my second vlog exploring the Pink City Jaipur. So today I'm going to take you to the Amer Fort in Jaipur. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Let's go. Amer Fort from Jaipur is one of the most famous fort in Rajasthan. Amer was once the capital of princely Jaipur state and the fort, the residence of its Rajput rulers. Surprisingly, it features prominently on the list of Jaipur's top attractions. This fort is famous historical monument and a reflection of Rajputana style and architecture. This fort is a pearl on the crown of Jaipur. 5,000 tourists visit the fort every day to bask in its royal splendor. Being only 11 km away from the Jaipur city, this attraction is something you should not miss out. While many such old structures have been either destroyed or replaced by other things, this fort has stood against all the tests of time and inventions. If you do not want to be a victim of this scorching heat, better book your trip in between October and March. These 6 months are the best time to visit this state. In fact, the weather becomes so pleasant that you will surely have a nice experience of the trip. Make your trip enough memorable, you can even take the elephant ride to reach the fort. However, for the elephant ride, you will have to reach early in the morning, but nowadays due to COVID, it was not available there. This fort is very popularly known as Amer Palace, and the Mutha Lake adds a certain charm to the entire fort. Hello guys, अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ आमेर फोर्ट जयपुर. Let's explore. मेरे पीछे आप देख सकते हैं एक बहुत ही सुंदर सी लेक. वो जो व्यू है बिल्कुल पद्मावती जैसा लग रहा है. हाँ. हम 650 चेयर्स चढ़ के ऊपर जाने वाले हैं. Time to explore Amer Palace, Jaipur. Historically significant and architecturally stunning, Amer Fort is a well-preserved monument from the glorious days of Rajput rule in Rajasthan. Rajput ruler Raja Man Singh built the fort in 1592. The city of Amer has become even more popular as the hometown of Princess Jodha. Many ancient structures built by the Minas have seen the wrath of time and lost their identity, but the edifice of the Emir Fort still stands in all its glory. This palace, along with Jagar Fort, is located above on the Chilkat Tilla, which is hillside of Eagles of the very same Aravalli range of hills. The whole tour of the fort may easily take 2 to 3 hours, so reach well on time. Mir Fort Jaipur is quite well documented, not just through travel articles but also through movies like the famous Jodha Akbar. Now we are going to enter inside through this huge gate which is called Suraj Pole. A long step climb up to the fort takes visitors into a huge courtyard, Jaleb Chowk, where the assembly was held before and after the wars. Through the ticket gate, there's a lot to see in the palace complex as you move from one courtyard to another, each leading to more private and opulent chambers plus temples, garden and terraces. Mir Fort is open from visiting hours 9:30 am to 5 pm and the entry fee was Indian rupees 100 and foreigners rupees 500. I'm here at the top of Amber Palace. Guys, did you know that the Queen Jodha has lived here? She took birth in October 1542 and in 1562 she got married to Mughal Emperor Akbar. So after that, the queen lived at Fatehpur Sikri Fort to be with Mughal Emperor. It took 157 years to build Amir Fort. So this is the main entrance of the palace properly. This gate is called Singh Pole. तो चलिए घूमते हैं जयपुर का अम्बेर पैलेस. लेट्स गो. So this place is called Diwan-e-Am. Have you seen Jodha Akbar? The shooting was done here at this place. Mirza Raja Jai Singh built this place. He used to sit at the center surrounded by local people over here. So then the king used to give his judgment on whatever problem people come up with. The best thing about this place are the pillars. Diwan-e-Am has 48 pillars, of which 16 pillars are made up of marble and rest are made up of red sandstone. We'll get to see a mixture of Hindu and Muslim culture in these pillars. Top of the pillars, elephant are made, which is a part of Hindu culture. At the bottom of the pillars, lotus are made, which is a part of Muslim culture. These are the saffron garden. In 17th century, Maharaja Sawai Jai Singh II tried to do the saffron farming here. Researchers referred to saffron, but it didn't turn out to be a success. Saffron flourishes well in cold climate, whereas Rajasthan was sunny. So the next is Ganesh Pole entrance. This is the real entrance to the private areas of the fort. The frescoes here have Indian influence as Ganesha is there, Mughal influence with those floral motifs, and English influence in the choice of colors, pastel primarily. It is a good representation of the fusion era that the fort was built in.
Guys, welcome to Diwani Khas.
Diwani Khas, Hall of Private Audience, is considered as the most magnificent part of the glorious Amer Fort. On the left you will find a huge royal garden. This Mughal inspired garden is called Chahar Bagh, which means four gardens. Royalty kept the best for themselves, and it is used to be called Diwani Khas or Hall of Private Audience. Sheesh Mahal, and also called as the Mirror Palace, is one of the refined, magnificent piece of architecture built with beautiful precious stones and glass coated with beautiful handmade paintings. Sheesh Mahal was specially built for the queens of the Amer fort, and the reason behind why this mahal was made by glass, because in ancient days the queen was not allowed to sleep in open air, but she loved to see the stars while sleeping. Hence the king ordered his architects to make the kind of mahal which could solve the problem. The architects built Sheesh Mahal, which was built with stones and glass, and at night the reflection of two candles in glass looked like stars in the whole room. Sheesh Mahal is the most popular and beautiful part of Amer Fort. If someone burns two candles, then the reflection converts that small light into thousands of stars, and it look awesome. And by this you can get the idea of what was the level of architecture in that time in India was. Did you know this palace is also known for the Bollywood legendary movie Mughal-e-Azam iconic song Jab Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya? It was shot in Sheesh Mahal on legendary actress Madhubala. Raja Man Singh was an ally in the court of Akbar. Due to this, many structures in the fort are influenced by Mughal style architecture. So now we are going to do visit a viewing deck above Ganesh Pole called Suhag Mandir. It has latticed windows used as a viewing deck by the royal women, as they were not allowed to make a public appearance. From there, the royal women used to see the court where the king used to meet his administrative, that is called Diwani Arm. Don't miss the beautiful frescoes inspired by Mughal influence on the entire wall of the fort. Did you know Amer Fort has a secret tunnel that connects to the Jagar Fort? 1.5-kilometer tunnel has many stairs and ramps to make the way more easier and complex. Here in front of this, I saw the big karais that were used to prepare food for Jodha Akbar's wedding at Raja Man Singh Palace. Did you know the Bollywood movie Jodha Akbar, in which Aishwarya Rai used to make food in this big karai, was shooted here?
Welcome to Man Singh Palace.
Place is called Zanana Dewari. This section has personal chambers of the queens and the royal women. A pavilion or baradari can be found in the center of Man Singh Mahal. As per a popular legend, this pavilion was a meeting place for the queens. This courtyard is mostly restricted to the king and the queens, the mistress, the queen mothers, the female royal escorts of queens, and every female related to the royal blood used to live in this particular courtyard. The chambers were designed in a way that the king find his way to any of them directly to rule out a feeling of jealousy among the queens. This is the oldest courtyard construction under the region of Man Singh. So now I'm watching Bullet Factory and Sentries Jagar Fort with the help of this monocular. The beauty of Amer Fort cannot be described in words. This was my lovely tour of Amer Fort, the Pink City, Jaipur. I hope you will like it. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. There's a Cafe Coffee Day outlet near the exit gate, so you can enjoy the coffee there.
तो गाइस हम घूम चुके हैं एम्बेस पैलेस। ये बहुत ही बड़ा है, आप घूमते घूमते पक्का थक जाओगे। मैं तो बहुत ही टायर्ड हो चुकी हूँ। अब मैं लंच करने जा रही हूँ, देन रेस्ट करने होटल में। बाय।
Amer Fort electric vehicle Golf ride cost ₹50 for one person on one way. It is available from Elephant Boarding Point to Jaleb Chowk, the main square in the fort. I think a day might not have been enough for me to explore this palace. Finally, I'm back to my hotel after a tired long day at Amer Fort. Goodbye, guys.